Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, we are going to be doing my wash day routine after a very long protective style. My hair has been under wigs and headscarves for the past about 3 weeks. It's been the holidays and I've just been giving it a break and leaving it alone. So this is not very common for me when it comes to leaving my hair like this for 3 weeks. So after something like this, I try to make sure I go through a pretty detailed wash day routine so I can really cleanse my scalp, cleanse my hair, and rejuvenate my curls. So surprisingly, my hair itself isn't too dry, but my scalp needs some life and some cleaning. So I'm just going to show you guys the process I go through to bring my curls back to life and get them hydrated. Alright, so first thing I do is obviously unbraid my hair. Some people choose to do that in the shower when it's wet, but I just like to do it before. So I just take my shower head, and my water is pretty warm, and I just massage that into my scalp, and I really just make sure my curls bounce back before I put any product on it. So I get it really hydrated, so when I put the product in, it really penetrates my hair and it actually gets the job done. So after I do this, I just go ahead and I take my DEVA Curl Build Up Buster and I spray that, or I can squeeze it on my scalp, only on my scalp. That's why the nozzle is like that, specifically to get rid of buildup. So I do that and then I massage it in really well. I take my time, I scrub my scalp with my fingers, and I really massage it in to get rid of all the extra dirt and oil and buildup that is there. As you can see, I'm taking my little head massager thing. It's just a silicone massager rubber thing, and I really get in my scalp, scrub it. It's kind of like an exfoliation for your scalp. I don't use it every single wash, but when my scalp really needs to be cleaned or really needs to be massaged, it comes in handy. And I just got it at my local beauty supply store and it was like a few dollars, so you can definitely go and check it out. Alright, so next thing I do is use my DEVA Curl No Poo shampoo, which is a shampoo without sulfate basically, and some people like to call it a co-wash. I personally think it's more of a sulfate-free shampoo because it does do a very good job at actually cleansing your hair. And so I just wash my hair itself, I wash my scalp, I really just get it in there and I clean the actual strands, because as you guys saw, there was a lot of buildup going on before I washed. So next thing, I go in with the DEVA Curl One Condition Decadence. Everything will be in the description box down below so you don't have to keep up with all this. And then I just take my Denman brush and I detangle while I'm conditioning. All I'm doing is raking through my hair with my fingers first and then following it through with the Denman brush. So I just do this over and over slowly throughout every part of my hair until my head is fully detangled to the point where I can put my fingers through it and not have any problems. So this is what you see me doing here, and this is what it should look like by the end. Smooth and detangled, basically. Alright, so the last product I'm going to be using is my SHEA Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil hair mask, and I'm just spreading that all throughout my hair. I'm really massaging it in. It's really getting in there because my hair is so detangled, so it's easy to get it on every single strand. And I just take my time and I massage it in, pull my hair together, squeeze the product through everything, get the back, get the front, the sides, and all that, and it just makes sure it's nice and smooth. I'm now going to let it sit for about 10 minutes while I do the rest of my shower. After the hair mask has sat for about 10 minutes, I just lightly rinse it out. As you can see, I'm not washing it out completely. I leave a little bit in my hair so it can kind of act as a leave-in conditioner, because I love the way it helps my hair retain moisture. So I just squeeze out the water and then that's about it. So as you guys can see, my hair looks really full and moisturized because the products really help it retain the moisture. So I have a lot of shrinkage going on, which is really good. Leaving that extra little bit of product in my hair helps minimize the frizz that I have, so you guys can see it's a lot smoother and a lot less frizzy. So that's amazing. So that is basically it for this video. My hair is bouncy and it's really holding in the moisture. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.